Hey guys, a little bit different video today. It's about personal fitness. During the lockdown we've been confined at our homes and we've been trying to get some workouts in our apartment, but then you notice you don't really have a lot of equipment, and it would be nice to have some equipment that can be used for multiple purposes. So we would like to do some box jumps at home. You don't need a lot of room for it, so we wanted to buy that. But if you go to the premium sellers, for example Rogue Fitness, and you're looking for Plyo Box as it's called, then you can see there are a lot of options. You have the foam boxes, you have the wooden boxes, the games box, etc. But as you can see, the prices are pretty high, $125, even $275 without the shipping, so that's very expensive. And as you can see, it's actually just a wooden box. So we thought we can do this better. We can maybe create this ourselves. So what is it exactly? It's a wooden box where you can do step-ups, weight that you can jump up and down. As you can see, there's even a little video here.
Yes.
I can guarantee you it gets the job done. So we wouldn't pay $135 plus shipping, so we were going to build it ourselves. A good friend of mine is a woodworker, and he started to create a sketch in SketchUp. I'm gonna show you the general layout of the box. That way we knew how to cut the wood if we were going to order it at the hardware store. We found a very nice sheet of plywood for about 40 euros, so that's about $50, and it was cut for free at the store, so that's very nice. To be able to transport the box when moving it around in the garage, we decided to create some handles for it. Therefore, we first drilled 2 round holes in the sides. And then cut them up to create one big handle. To make sure that we didn't get any splinters in our hands, we just made the edges round, so that would be a very nice finish to this do-it-yourself project. Next up, we pinned the plates together to drill all the holes for the further mock-up and the test fitting. You have to make sure that you keep the good sides in, so that when you drill through, the outside of the box is not damaged by the drilling holes. Or you can just keep a little plate under it so that there is no pieces of wood flying away when drilling through the surface. Now it's time for our first mock-up, putting together the plates like how they would become. And we're pre-drilling all the holes to make the top of the screw fall inside of the hole. This is for a better finish, and if you are handling the box, you're jumping on top of it, that you don't get hurt on the screws, of course. It's a very good idea. The screw is completely flat, and you could even finish it off with some liquid wood or something and sand it up a bit. It's not a very good angle, but we actually mounted the bottom plate in the bench and then are screwing up the first side to make sure it's in a perfect angle. When screwing on the first plates, it's very important that you align all the plates together, that there are no pieces sticking out, that there are no edges, and always first put the most outside screws and then one in the middle. When placing the middle plate, we're using an angular corner measuring tool to make sure the plates are perfectly aligned to each other from all sides. That will increase maximal sturdiness of the box. To make the box as sturdy and rigid as possible, we added a layer of wood glue between all the panels. And then we used a lot of screws to bolt it all together. To finish it all up, we sanded the entire box to make sure there were no splinters or rough parts remaining. Also, all the edges have been rounded off so that if you misstep while jumping on the box, you don't open up your shins, you don't have to go to the hospital, so that's very nice. All in all, we created a very nice, affordable Plyo box for light use at home. It's very sturdy and we made it a fun day for about 1/3 of the price at the normal shops, so I think that's very nice. If you like this, if you want more information, please let me know. Consider subscribing to the channel and have a nice day.